Good morning guys, hope you're all having a fantastic day and welcome to another video. Now in this video, I'm going to be unboxing a few things, a few really exciting things, and I think you guys are going to think they're really cool too. Got two boxes here from Amazon. I bought both of these things myself and I haven't even really opened these. I've had these for a little while. We'll see what's inside them. Now they are camera related, of course, and the very first thing is this right here. This is the Canon M50. Now this is a mirrorless camera and it's definitely going to be one of the most popular cameras of this year. Now the Canon M50 is a bit of an upgrade from its Canon's previous M lines. It's got dual pixel autofocus and it's a really small body. Now, one thing I also needed when I was going to be getting this camera, because I haven't really used the M line very often, is this adapter right here. This is an EF to EOS M adapter, which means that I can use my standard Canon lenses for my DSLR on this EOS M50. So this is going to be really, really exciting to use. Did I get a lens with this one? I think I did. I didn't even realize that I got a lens with this. I got the 15 to 45mm lens as well. So we'll take a look at that one later on. But pretty excited about this. I'm going to make lots of videos on this one. It's definitely a good idea to take a look at this camera if you're in the market for a small DSLR, but you don't exactly need to have a DSLR. So it's similar to something like a Canon SL2, a little bit smaller, just doesn't have a mirror. Now we're also going to open up this one right here and we'll see what's in this box. I always love opening boxes. It's good fun. This knife's not great for this, but that's okay. And in here, we have what looks like two cameras. So the very first one is the Canon 4000D, which is a very budget beginner DSLR. So this one here is kind of a stripped down version of pretty much everything, and I think it's one of the cheapest DSLRs that Canon have ever introduced. It's got 18 megapixels, can shoot at 3 frames per second, does shoot in full HD. It'll be interesting to see what this camera is going to be like, but I think it's going to be a great camera for those who don't have maybe enough money to be buying something like a Canon M50, which is quite a lot more expensive than this one. But it's going to be a really interesting camera to see. And we've also got the Canon 2000D or the Canon T7. And this one here is definitely one that I'm interested in checking out because this is the successor to the Canon T6. Now, if you guys have seen my channel, you know I did a lot of videos on the Canon T6 over the last few years. It's also called the 1300D, and that was a really, really popular camera. In fact, that's been my most popular video. It's got over 1 million views on a couple of those different videos. So the Canon 2000D is going to be really interesting. T7, again, not a massive upgrade, but it's going to be the kind of camera for beginners on the Canon side. So very interesting. This one here's got 24 megapixels. This one here's 18 megapixels. And what does the Canon M50 got? I think it's 24 as well. So they're all relatively similar. For me, it's going to be the M50's the standout. It's going to be a lot better than these two cameras, but both of these, or all three of these, will have their own market essentially. So you always got to remember, sure, we all want really good cameras. We'd all take a 5D Mark IV if we could, but everyone's got different budgets and different needs. So it's going to be really interesting to see which one of these cameras I will be recommending. And I will be making lots of videos on these cameras in the upcoming weeks. So hopefully you guys will be looking out for that. And I think it's important for me to mention that I buy all these cameras by myself. I don't actually have any deals with Canon, Sony, Nikon, Panasonic. So I actually have to pretty much pay for all of these all by myself, and so I can get them to review. Now, it is pretty expensive, but it does give me a lot of content in which I can make. So hopefully you guys appreciate that. And yeah, it does kind of cost a fair bit of money in the end, but I do enjoy making these videos and I hope you guys do enjoy them as well. So look out for these videos in the upcoming weeks and days probably. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this little unboxing. It's something I don't normally do, but it's a good fun to do. So if you did enjoy this video, I'd love it if you leave a thumbs up, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next few days. So got to clean up this mess. See you later guys, bye.